The more discarded batteries, the better. Make a cut to remove the plastic casing, cut it, remove the metal casing, and extract the central carbon rod. That's what we need. Use the same method for batch processing. It only took one morning to get everything done. Add the printed perforated plastic rings, spacing them one hole apart. It's amazing. After inserting all 16 rods, flip it over and set it up properly. Install another identical perforated plastic ring. Fill the C-flow holes with carbon rods as well. First, hang it on the knee for easy connection. Use a copper wire to thread all the carbon rods together. And that's it. The other side is the same, and the entire operation is completed in less than an hour. Prepare a multimeter to carefully check if it is the correct cross player. It's doable, no problem. If one is not enough, make two of the same scale, weld them together, place insulating foam in between to separate them and prevent interference. Position the bottom part simultaneously, weld it to the top, and extend the middle electrode upwards for discharge. With this, the core component of the subsequent connection is completed. Custom fit the reaction filament based on the acrylic tube and slowly insert it so it fits perfectly. Seal both ends of the reaction filament with a circle of insulating material. Carefully apply silicone and let it dry to ensure airtightness. Discard 4 screws and attach them to the bottom. Align the white smokestack with the silicone ring. The 3-row cover has 2 output terminals. Connect the wires properly, align the bulge ring and the 10 screws, place the washers and tighten the screws. After installation, add an empty one on top to serve as a combustion chamber, concealing the Great Wall's acrylic tube and all quick connect fittings, and cut the flexible hose to vent the generated gas. Attach one under the printed bracket and one on top. Disassemble the small acrylic and connect the output hose. Install a one-way valve on the water pipe to prevent backfire, making it safer. Cover the joint, insert the hose, and connect it to the combustion chamber above. Now, pour water into the reactor, but be careful not to fill it too much to leave some space for the gas. Safety first, add something to increase the water's conductivity, like a little bit of salt. Add a little bit of potassium permanganate and a little bit of sulfuric acid into the water separately and stir to mix evenly. Use a small light bulb to test which solution has the best conductivity. You can see the clear comparison. The sulfuric acid solution is the best. Pour the sulfuric acid solution through the hose into the reactor. Connect it to a 12-volt power supply. See that? As soon as you connect it, bubbles start forming. Disconnect it and they almost immediately disappear. Plug it back in and there they are again. It's fun. Let's try it out. Can't waste it. Added a needle to increase the gas flow rate. Can it ignite? Alright. It's too simple. This kind of water electrolysis device produces a hydrogen-oxygen gas mixture, which is highly explosive and has a high combustion temperature. See? The stone melts instantly upon contact. The needle is connected to the combustion chamber above, and a high-voltage module output is prepared. The 2 stages have already been modified. Once you press it, it will ignite. First, install it properly. And then you can ignite the combustible gas inside with a press.